Hello friends. Now I explain about the second component of our system, Ekalavya Learning Management System LMS. Actually, as this is a finishing training program, you should manage your learning. If you don't manage it properly, according to the management principles, you may not finish it within the time frame. In this context, you must remember one thing: your college oriented studies are totally different. These are career oriented studies. In college oriented studies, entire course is divided into semesters. In each semester, certain subjects you study, and at the end of that, you write a semester wise exam. And most of students study subjects for the sake of marks, for getting marks in examination. So we can identify it as exam oriented studies, but career oriented studies are entirely different. These studies are meant for acquiring employability. Employability means KSA, knowledge, skills, and abilities. You must sell your services to a employer. For that purpose, you must be in a position to deliver some services on your own. Then only you can create a demand for your services. By that, you can choose an employer of your choice. So, for this purpose, we have introduced the effective learning management system. This is the implementation system. Through this, we are providing training, monitoring, and certification. Actually, simply and blindly, if you study without monitoring, there is no use at all. You may not complete it successfully within the time frame, and what extent of standard you achieved also you cannot know. That's why a embedded monitoring system is required, a meticulous monitoring system is required, that we are providing. At the end of that, certification is very important. Actually, certification using in colleges also you get certifications, but we are using international standards. What are the international standards? How they are different from college oriented, university oriented standards, you must understand. In international oriented certifications, three elements are tested. The first element is conceptual command. You must own each and every concept in the subject. Owning concept, number one, conceptual command. Second one is presence of mind. One question, it is not directly writing something. One tricky question is given. So you have to analyze all your knowledge and get the extract the answer. For that purpose, presence of mind is required. Third one is IQ. Your intelligence quotient is measured. So all international certifications are designed in that fashion. That type of certification only actually really useful for your career. So we have developed all these certifications using international standards. So three elements, three types of services you can get: training, monitoring, and certification. In this LMS, we have adopted one first of its kind feature in the world by taking into consideration of limitations of the students. Actually, for our study in college oriented studies, chapter is a unit. Some chapters are so big, some chapters are too small. It is not a right unit. But in order to make it more pragmatic, we have divided entire uh, finishing course into study units of 1 hour based on a lecture, based on a video lecture. So 1 hour means may not be exactly 60 minutes, approximately 1 hour based on integrity. So for each study unit, what we provide? We provide three elements. The first one is video lecture. Video lecture 1 hour based on approximately 1 hour video lecture, and corresponding ebook we provide. It can be downloadable, and one thing I am telling you, you must download it and take printout also, because in coding I explain the coding here. It is not possible for me to write every bit of code. Crucial statements only I can write. Then, if you have hard copy on hand, then you can go through entire code parallelly with my explanation. Then you can understand each bit of code. Understand that point? You understand? You take a printout of this, and ebook also we provide corresponding ebook, and at the end unit test. We provide unit test for this thing. So on the very day you study, you practice, thereafter you write the test. Once you write test, your confidence is crystallized. You can appraise your standard of your learning. That is very much important. And one more thing, it acts like a great monitoring system and planning and monitoring system. Suppose entire subject is, let us say, divided into 500 units. 500 units. Now you want to complete within 120 days or 600 units. Within 120 days you are supposed to complete. So average you are supposed to complete 5 units a day. 5 units a day. In that way you can quantify that. You can plan weekly how many units you have to complete. 5 into 7, 35 units you have to complete. So every day you can appraise your progress. One day you completed 6 units, other day you may complete 4 units. At the weekend, if you find there is a backlog, on Saturday, Sunday you may sit and complete. In that way, according to your feasibility, subject to your limitations, you can plan your progress and monitor it. For every unit, as you write tests, immediately you can understand what standard you are getting. And in our college studies, actually, first semester, whatever subjects you study, they are not repeated in further semesters. It is not that. All these unit tests and module tests are on cumulative basis. That means whatever subject you studied in the first unit, it may be covered, it is covered in the second unit, third unit, fourth unit, like that. So cumulative study. You cannot ignore anything, but ratio is different. If you, while you are writing second unit, 60% or 70% questions from second unit, 30% questions from the first unit, like that you get. So it is a cumulative study, and it helps you a lot to plan, monitor, and finish your finishing course within a time frame. I am talking about full time preparators. If you are not a full time preparator, either if you are a college goer or office goer, you can manage it. Totally 1,000 hours are required. So you can plan, you can devise your own plan. However, we give you a separate plan, that is customized plans for pre-final students, final students, graduates, employed separately, and all that. If it is suitable to you, you can follow that. Follow that. And one thing, if you have a strong desire, an instinct, then definitely implement that. And one more thing I have to tell you, we make you to enjoy uh, subject in the earliest point of time. Once you start enjoying subject, then you never look back. Actually, one thing I have to tell you, the standards of study can be compared with an example: grape, banana, and coconut. Actually, grape, simply you can swallow that. Banana, you have to peel off and eat. Coconut, you have to break, scrap, and eat. But most programming studies, especially Java, is like a jackfruit. It is not even coconut. You have to peel it off, pluck, and eat. But, however, in the earliest point of time, we enable you to enjoy subject, enjoy your studies. Once you start enjoying your studies, there is no look back. Look back. Why you go to a film for the sake of enjoyment? At least 3 hours you are sitting, but you never tire. And if you go to a cricket stadium, 10 hours in hot summer also you sit, but you never tire. What is the reason behind it? You are enjoying. So the first strategy what we are adapting is make you to enjoy subject. How? You get the result as early as possible. Results are driving force in you, and then you can start loving subject. You develop a passion towards the learning. Okay, so in this, what we cover through this LMS, C, C++, core Java, and corresponding certifications, as well as quantitative skills and the corresponding certifications. All this you can complete, and if you go to this link, you can find how we have divided and all that. It cannot be explainable, and simply go to this LMS link, you can understand how we organized all the subjects, and how we have divided them into units as well as modules, etc.